thought I would do a room tour because I haven't done one since I moved back in January. But I live with a family here in England, and they are housemasters in a beautiful boarding school. So I live in their personal family's house, and I have my room and I love it. I love having all my things in one place and decorating, and yeah, it's just a special little space. Without further ado, here's my room tour. So when you come in, this is what it looks like. I really love my room. So I have my bed here, my little owl, Harold. He's traveled with me. I have my gallery wall here. This little budgie print that I bought from the art store. My sister and I went to a little photo booth thing when we were in Orlando, Florida. And then I have the best donuts in the world from Brooklyn, New York. Dough Donuts. I think they have some locations in Manhattan as well. If you're in the New York area, would recommend. My sister and me in New York, and then my friend Carly, that is her print. That it's a painting that she did and she just had it printed. This is my little makeup and hair station. So I sat on the floor there to do my makeup. I have all of my earrings semi-organized. And then I've got my bath products, makeup brushes, perfume, makeup, all that. And then my little hanging plant. Over here I have my closet, which is so nice. I bought these little command hooks that I have my necklaces hanging from to avoid tangling. And yeah, just have all my clothes and shoes. It's not perfect, but you get the idea. This is my little mirror / vase of dried lavender that I picked with my friend Ray last summer. And this is cute. The little girl that I live with, Lila, she colored that for me. And then over here I have my little desk, pardon the pile of stuff, but I have my desk with all of my things on the shelves. I have some cards and little prints and candles, books, birds, pictures. I love it. All special little things. Then I have my lovely window here that looks out into the garden. It's nice. And then over here I have my little birdhouse string lights, and I got this print from my friend Ray, Bilbo Baggins. Love that quote. And then that was a birthday card from my family that they all signed in there, which is nice. Yeah, that's pretty much it. But it's just such a nice little, it's my little haven, and everything in here is super special, and it's just nice to have this space. So I hope you enjoyed my room tour, and I will see you in my next video. Bye.